Today, the wheel turns once more. A day not only of celebration, but of unity, passion, and the strength that binds us as future nurses.
All the way, all the way, all the way. Right now, we're on the ride, ride of our lives off the ground. We're on the rise, stars in our eyes. You can't bring us down, you can't stop us now. Because right now, we're on the ride, ride of our lives. Ride, no, 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 no. Ride, no, 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 no.
Weaving each of us into a moment we have long awaited. Our Nursing Day, Nightingale Fest 2026. In this gathering, we are divided into 6 powerful ajas, each carrying its own purpose, values, and strengths, bound by our calling to serve, to care, and to lead. As we begin this day of friendly competition, may we channel not only our skills and talents, but also the spirit of camaraderie, respect, and sportsmanship.
Keep pushing through and rolling on. I'm gonna free my weary soul. I'm gonna free my love. Run into the fire, gonna find my land of gold. I can feel it turn, moving like a river in my soul. Moving like a river in my soul. I can feel it rolling like the thunder.
So stand tall, channelers, embrace your power, fight with purpose, and most importantly, enjoy every moment as the wheel weaves this unforgettable day into our story. Once again, welcome to our Nightingale Fest 2026. May the pattern favor us all.
We are the future.
Today, it highlights how students provides care, hope, and strength, both not just academically, but also in activities like we have today. And this also highlights the profession as both a challenging science and a compassionate art, and emphasizing its role as the backbone of healthcare.
We're climbing every mountain, never gonna give up. No, we're never gonna give up. No, we're never gonna give up.
What I'm excited about this event is the crowd's energy, the performances of course, but specifically the hip-hop competition. I think it's one of the crowd's most favorite competitions.
Took every bit of me to get to where I'm going. Can't stop me, I'm a hurricane that's never slowing. I know the brighter days are right in front of me, and now the better part of me is finally showing. They try to bring us down, but we're going up. They try to take us down, but they're out of luck. We're climbing every mountain, never gonna give up. No, we're never gonna give up. No, we're never gonna give up. We won't stop, we're climbing higher.
And I just want to say thank you to our clinical instructors, to our student nurses who work tirelessly to come up with such an event and a success event like this one. Mabuhay ang mga future nurses.
Do you believe? Do you believe? don't